I remember when I first started doing email marketing, I was really frustrated because no one is buying. Even though I send out lots of emails every single day, guess what? I've been marked a spammer and people don't want to follow me anymore. And I was really frustrated. I say, wow, those email marketing things doesn't work. No, the problem isn't about email. It was me, right? So today I want to share with you the thing I learned the hard way. Because after a few years of learning marketing, I realized what I did was totally wrong. I cannot send them random email every day. I need to build the relationship in advance. It's just like all kind of selling. You want to make them think you are their friend, they're something they can trust before you even pitch them, before you even present them the offer. So today I want to share with you a framework I'm following, and I think that works really well, and you can try to see if it works for your business. The first thing you want to sell is actually not a product, it's you. So I will spend, if this one just joined my list, I will spend 3 to 5 days telling my story to sell me, to make them think I'm authentic and not just another scammer. So how do I do about that? I will tell them about my backstory, why I want to start an online business, and what's my failure, and what's my family life, what's my real life, what things I got interested in, like I'm a dancer, things like that. So as long as they know more about me, guess what? They will trust me because no scammer have the gut to show their face, right? You will not see any scammer say, hey, I'm a scammer. No, they will try to hide behind the computer. So if you can show your authentic self, especially your flaw, people will trust you more. And that's a power why I don't think you have to be expert of everything. You don't have to be perfect in every aspect before you're selling. If you have a flaw, if it's something that people can relate to, guess what? You become more real and people trust you more. They will actually buy from you more. So that's why selling you and show your authentic self, show you your flaw, show your failure, and why you can be trusted is so important here. So you can spend 3 to 5 days on this one. Then I would send two like a survey email, say, hey, right now you know my story. I want to know you more. Can you share with me what thing you want to learn the most? So if they join my list, I know they want to learn something already. Maybe they want to learn marketing. Maybe they want to learn affiliate marketing. So I will ask them, what do you want to learn? And so I'm building a deeper relationship with them because I'm asking them to respond to my email. Then after I know who they are, what they want, guess what? I'm going to sell what? So I'm not selling the product yet. I'm going to make them believe something in order to buy my product. So I call this in another video, I call this like Big Domino statement, right? You want to them to believe that as long as they believe this one thing, buying your products is the only logical decision. So you want to make them believe the thing. For example, you say, oh, the only way to lose weight is by following XYZ diet plan. So when they say, okay, I need to follow XYZ diet plan, so they go to Google and guess what? There's no such things called the XYZ diet plan. And then a few days later, you say, oh, the only place you can learn about XYZ diet plan is by buying this product. So right now, you make buying your product the only logical decision if they believe in your statement. So you want to spend times on teaching them how to, and teaching them why this statement is true and why they need to believe in that, right? So that's why we want to teach them how. Then we want to teach them how, right? So after they know what, we want to teach them how. So how do we do about that? Is we can say, oh, if you want to learn more about XYZ diet plan, jump on a webinar or go watch this free video. So here is your sales page, is where your sales page or your webinar is. So you can teach them more detail about your product and service in the webinar. You give them the framework, and if they need more help from you, they can buy your product and service. So that's the framework. You want to establish the relationship. You want to make them believe in you first. Then you want to sell the what. You want to make them believe the one thing. Then you want to sell how. You want to make them know the framework. So if they need help, you pitch them the product. So that's the flow I'm using. You can try to see if that can work for your business. I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you soon in the next video.